this video, we will show you how to set VLC as default for video player on Windows 10. First, you can download the VLC. You can click link on the description. We put a link into the software in there. You can double click to start installation of VLC. Select OK in here. Click next, click next, click next, and click install. Wait until installation completed. Now in here you can click finish, and then on your search button or search bar in here you can type default apps. Then you can scroll down and select video player, choose a default. You can using VLC media player. Now your video player on Windows 10 set on the VLC media player, and every time you open a video file extension you will use VLC media player here. That's all.